Today on Impress the Wife, we're making Thai fruit salad. This recipe is so amazing. It's unbelievably simple, yet crazy delicious. In order to succeed in making this, you need to find fruits that are in season. Stay tuned. You're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen, and to ultimately impress the wife. Husbands, gather up. Here's the list of the ingredients that you will need. Let me explain to you what I have in front of me. A pluoc, which is a type of plum, very sweet. A nectarine, you can also use peaches, but I don't like the fuzzy skin. A golden plum, sour and nice, and a mandarin or a clementine. I cannot stress enough that the fruits need to be in season in order to contrast with the salty and sour dressing. Everything is fixed except for the fruits and the cucumber. You can even add tomatoes if you like. But the mint, cilantro, and shaved shallots and the fried shallots are must. Check out episode 1 for a tutorial on how to make the fried shallot. Okay, so very simple. You slice all the flesh out of the fruits. Slice them into bite-sized pieces, but feel free to experiment. You can definitely elevate the presentation. You can also use fruits such as watermelon, grapes, cantaloupe, Granny Smith apples, ripe and unripe mangoes, blood oranges, grapefruit, and pomelo. You can also add coconut flakes, cashew nuts, regular nuts, whatever you feel like adding. I'll leave it up to you. Once the fruits are sliced, add the cucumber and toss everything. Add the shaved shallot, chopped cilantro, mint, and lastly, the fried shallots. Set this aside and we'll move on to the dressing. So very simple, start with 1/4 cup of water, followed by 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and the juice of a whole lime. If you're wondering why I have a piece of lemon, that was just for backup. You won't need it. Just mix everything together and we are done. So there you have it, a refreshing Thai salad perfect for the summer. Pour the dressing just before serving so that the shallots won't get soggy immediately. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on upcoming videos or recipes. Until then, see you next time.